So question number 2 of ASTMNT 2, right?
Yeah.
Is worth 8 marks.
Mm-hmm.
Joe is a real estate licensee employed by Good Work Realty. Joe and his brother Jim each hold a 50% share of J&J Property Holding Limited.
Mm-hmm.
J&J Property Holding Limited currently owns a large house in a Casdale area, which it has listed with Good Work Realty. During the listing and with permission of J&J Holding, Joe advertised the home in a local publication as a beautiful Victorian home on a 70 by 150 feet lot with brand new appliances.
Mm-hmm.
Reading the advertisement, Karen Kimball approaches Joe, who then displays the home to her. Soon after, Karen purchases the house from J&J Property Holding Limited. When Karen takes possession of discovers that the appliances have been replaced with old equipment and the dimensions of the lot are in 60 by 30.
Mm-hmm.
He never revealed his interest in J&J Limited to Karen. Describe 4 or more of the articles of the standard of business practice which have been breached by Joe and explain what action resulted in them. So we need to know about articles.
Mm-hmm.
Very important,
Yeah.
right? So what he has done, number one, lot size was different.
Yeah.
Number two, he didn't show his interest, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And the also he replaced the equipment without permission, right?
Without permission. Yeah.
Right? And so number one, Joe has breached the Article 2
Mm-hmm.
of the MLS rules and regulation and the code of ethics, which he means
Mm-hmm.
by seeking no unfair advantage over his clients.
Mm-hmm.
Joe was supposed to protect the interest of the vendor as well as the of the buyer.
Right.
He has to be fair with both the parties and need to protect and promote the interest of his client.
Mm-hmm.
He could not deal fairly with all the party, which he was supposed to do. He may be reprimanded for the breach of code of ethics.
Ethics.
So the first was the fair dealing with all the parties,
All the
not only with
parties.
his client,
Mm-hmm.
right? Fairly dealing with all the parties.
Parties.
Not normally people just only represent one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So he could not protect, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's very very important. And there was the rules and regulations and code of
Ethics.
ethics, Article 2.
Article.
Article 2. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So one time, code of ethics and rules and regulation.
Mm-hmm.
We have to deal fairly with all the parties, which he couldn't do.
Yeah.
And the number 2, Joe has breached the Article 4 of not discovering the pertinent fact which were detrimental for the buyer, such as size of the lot,
Mm-hmm.
right? As well as the replacement with old equipment.
Mm-hmm.
So he did not he should find out the actual lot size,
Lot size. Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And that the seller is gonna keep the equipment himself, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? And those are pertinent facts.
Mm-hmm.
He should have taken utmost care in avoiding major errors, right?
Mm-hmm.
He may be fined and reprimanded for this, right?
Yeah.
Reprimand means disciplined
Mm-hmm.
for this, because this is a major mistake.
Yeah.
Lot size,
Mm-hmm.
equipment, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Article 4 is discovering about the pertinent
Mm-hmm.
facts. Pertinent means major factors.
Mm-hmm.
Third, Joe has done a false advertisement in the newspaper,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
As a beautiful Victorian home,
Mm-hmm.
70 by 150 with brand new appliances, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whereas lot was only 60 by 130, appliances were replaced with old one.
Mm-hmm.
Thus is breached the standard of business practice,
Practice.
Article 6, while not providing the presentation in the advertisement, right?
Mm-hmm.
That the committee can fine him.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
So Article 6. In this one, he breached the Article 6,
Mm-hmm.
false advertisement.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do it.
Yeah.
So basically, is the business standard practice,
Mm-hmm.
standard of business practice.
Yeah.
And the last one, fourth, Joe has breached the Article 13
Mm-hmm.
for not disclosing his interest.
Mm-hmm.
in the property to the buyer for which he was the shareholder with his brother. He was supposed to disclose his interest in writing
Right.
to the buyer
To the buyer.
prior.
Mhm.
Henceforth, it was detrimental for the buyer, and Joe can be fined and reprimanded. So the four articles to remember. Number one, Article 2,
Two.
that was for the code of ethics and rules and regulations to deal fairly with all. Number 2 was Article 4 for the major factors like a lot size, equipments. Third one was false advertisement, Article 6, right? Because he breached the business standard of practice, standard of business practice,
Yeah.
right? And the number 4 was Article 13 because he did not disclose his interest. You understand, right?
Yeah.
That he also is a shareholder.
Shareholder.
One time again, Article 2, 4,
4,
6 and 13.
30.
Okay, and that's it for this chapter.